car, the number 4 machine. The 96 of Ricky Anderson sitting there on the 3rd row. Good to have Ricky out there as well. And the ex-DJ Boyson car now in the hands of Bertus Engelbrecht under starters orders, and off the line they go. DJ gets a good start up alongside Byron Mitchell. They make their way down towards camp. Gets the whole shot. Graham Knight looks to look up the slot there into 3rd place ahead of Richard Carr. Too excited about that one in the Formula V, and he's going to see if he can go around the outside of her in G Energy corner, but Kelly hugs the corner. Is she having fun or what? Lovely to see. 2 laps left in this one. They're going to on their penultimate lap and make their way now. The leaders are going through the turn number 4 as we wait for them to come out.